Did you know that this scraggly beard on a stick can fight off infections better than some antibiotics? Meet Usnea, also known as old man's beard. Usnea is a lichen, which is part fungus and part algae, and it only grows where the air is clean. I'm in Atlanta and I see it everywhere, as Atlanta is known to be the city in the forest due to its extensive tree cover, which is estimated to be between 50 to 53%. So if you find it, congrats, your air quality has passed the vibe check. To safely identify Usnea, you pull on a strand gently, and if it has a stretchy white inner core that's like elastic, that's your sign that it's Usnea as it grows like a beard. Hanging from branches, usually on fallen or dead wood, soft, pale green, and never slimy. When harvesting old man's beard, never pull from living trees. I only collect when fallen branches and always leave most behind, as this lichen plays an important role in soil building, food for wildlife, and moisture retention. Medicinally, Usnea is a powerhouse, antiviral, antifungal, and especially antibacterial, which is great for respiratory infections and wound care. I like to call it nature's antibiotic. I also like to tincture it in high-proof alcohol to draw out the medicinal compounds, especially usneic acid, which doesn't extract well in water. But there are some precautions with Usnea. Only use if properly identified. Some lichens look similar but are toxic. Avoid harvesting from polluted areas, as Usnea absorbs toxins and heavy metals from the environment. Also, don't consume in large quantities, as usneic acid can be liver irritating in high doses. And use alcohol-based extractions if you're going to tincture it, only for internal infections, like I mentioned earlier, as water infusions don't always extract the therapeutic compounds well enough. So also avoid in pregnancy, as there's not enough sufficient data at this time for pregnancy and old man's beard. If you have any questions about Usnea, aka old man's beard, let me know. I'm here to help and to educate in any way I can. Bye, friends.